Good morning, students. Welcome to Value Education class. Please take out your book and open page number 21. Unit 4 Our Freedom Fighters Part 1 Mahatma Gandhi. Values covered are patriotism, sacrifice, non-violence, unity, equality. To us, patriotism is the same as the love of humanity. Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. We will understand Mahatma Gandhi as our freedom fighter. We will appreciate Mahatma Gandhi as our father of the nation. We will work for our country's welfare. Mahatma Gandhi, father of our nation. Today, we will reflect on the life of Mahatma Gandhi. There are many freedom fighters who had fought for our country's freedom from British rule. It is also right for us to know that there are many who had fought for our country and sacrificed their lives, but they are unknown to us. Today, we will understand and appreciate Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation. He struggled and fought for the freedom of our country through satyagraha and non-violence. He died as a martyr for our country. The life of Mahatma Gandhi. Gandhi was born at Porbandar in Gujarat on 2nd October 1869. He was named Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Gandhi was the third of the three boys born to Karamchand and Putli Bai. He also had a sister. They belonged to the Baniya caste of Gujarat. They were Vaishnavites by religious faith. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, was the Diwan of Porbandar and later the Diwan of Rajkot. He married Kasturba, the daughter of Gokuldas Makhanji, at the age of 13. After his marriage, he continued his studies in Bhavnagar and later went to England for higher studies. In England, he became a barrister and after he returned to India, he practiced law in a civil court in Mumbai, but he quit practicing law in India. Mohandas Gandhi moved to South Africa to help a group of barristers. While in South Africa, he experienced how cruelly Indians were treated there. It was in South Africa that Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi came upon the idea of satyagraha, fight for the truth. After initiating the struggle for removal of apartheid in South Africa, Gandhi returned to India in 1915. Gandhi decided that if he were to lead his fellow countrymen towards Swaraj or self rule, he should get to know the people of India and their problems. He set out to travel the length and breadth of India in a third class railway compartment. Thereafter, people changed his name to Mahatma, meaning a great soul, and Bapu, meaning father. His life was a simple life. He practiced truth and non-violence. The major events that led to the freedom of India under Gandhiji were non-cooperations, Dandi March, the Quit India movement, and Simon Commission's Go Back. He was imprisoned many times. India became free on August 15, 1947, but India was divided into two nations, India and Pakistan. Thousands of people lost their lives in the communal riots. Gandhiji undertook a fast unto death on Jan 13, 1948 to make all his countrymen realize the need for unity and equality of all men. This brought the leaders to their senses. Gandhi extracted from them the promise of unity and peace. He broke the fast on January 18, 1948. On January 30, 1948, when Gandhi was walking from his room to the place of prayer in New Delhi, a fanatic named Nathuram Godse pointed a gun at him and fired. Gandhi fell saying, Hey Ram. Gandhi Jayanti is celebrated on 2nd October every year. Now October 2nd is celebrated as the International Non-Violence Day declared by the UN. The father of nation, Mahatma Gandhi, is remembered for his unequivocal contributions to India's freedom struggle. His birthday is one of the important national holiday in India, and the United Nations has announced that October 2nd will be celebrated as International Day of Non-Violence worldwide. I will conclude by inspiring quote by Mahatma Gandhi: "Be the change that you want to see in the world." Thank you.